sports at home. This individual's got a sedentary life. They work at home in a normal life, and they're wondering what sports they can do without lifting something in bodybuilding. Well, the first thing I'm thinking of is, what sports did you like to do when you were younger? I'm guessing that this person's probably not in high school anymore or even in college where they might have extracurricular activities. So you could kind of think to yourself, what are some things I like to do? Did I kick around a soccer ball when I was younger? Did I like to do basketball when I was younger? Did I do like street hockey? All of these things, and then work from there because, preference is a big thing in physical activity and fitness. So for this individual, if let's use basketball, for example, they really like basketball. They may not have a hoop to be able to play at right now at home, but what they can still do is get a basketball, dribble around in their home, dribble around in their garage. They could do some passing drills in between their hands. If they have a wall, they can bounce it back and forth. Very simple way to get some light physical activity. Soccer, another great example. You can dribble around a soccer ball. With your feet. You can do some drills where you kick it up. You can go around cones in your home in the garage, I'm thinking. If you have a big enough basement or just open space area, this is going to be a prime opportunity to be able to get some physical activity in a respective sport. Another thing I thought of is football and baseball. Both of those you can play catch with yourself. Football, I did this for hours. I sat on my bed and then literally just threw a football straight up, let it come down. Straight up, let it come down. Catch it with myself. Baseball, glove, baseball. Play catch with yourself for hours. And then there's also some implements that you can actually do that allow you to throw the ball and it'll actually come back to you. That's not despite that. But what I would do too, this person says they want to do sports without bodybuilding and lifting something. I'd encourage you to entertain this to some degree. You don't have to lift crazy stuff, but trying to do like a body weight circuit routine with some body weight squats, body weight lunges, some push-ups, different things like that. And then just practice lifting different things around your house that are kind of smaller, but maybe have a little bit of load. So maybe you put a box with a bunch of moderately heavy objects, and then you just practice lifting it up, bringing it across the room as fast as you can, putting it down, and going back and forth. Because in all reality, life is a sport. Life is a sport, and the better you can get yourself kind of up to par with that and be able to do those activities of daily living, you're going to be able to do sports much better. So getting to an actual sport at some point is great, but also don't neglect just doing some regular fitness things. With that said though too, one of the big things with sports is the fact that you get to interact with people and have this time of basically mental support. So that's a big reason why people gravitate towards sports and group exercise classes, for example, is they have that camaraderie. They have that ability to build relationships beyond just the physical activity portion of this. So I'd highly recommend and encourage you to try whatever sport you're getting into. Look into local leagues. See if there's a rec league for basketball. See if there's a rec league for soccer, volleyball. In the Midwest, we have so many rec leagues going year-round. Pickleball is the new thing, right? Pickleball is a new sport that anyone can pick up. Try to find that camaraderie because it is going to improve your mental and emotional health, which is a big part of fitness as well.